Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about 3 hairstyles for dirty hair. This is my second day hair without washing and I need a little bit of a revive. My hair is super thin, so for me it's all about the volume. And this video is in partnership with Pantene. I am using their Never Tell dry shampoo from Pantene's Waterless Collection. It has 0 sulfates, no parabens, and it has vitamin B5 and wild mint that gives hair a fresh start, absorbing all of the dirt and oil, all of that stuff you don't want in your hair. It smells really good too, so I'm excited to use it and show you 3 hairstyles you can do for dirty hair. So this is what my hair looks like down. A bit oily at the roots is where I usually have my problems. So the first look is going to be a beachy wave. I'm just starting off by combing out my hair and we're going to be curling every part of the hair. So the first step is going to be sectioning off the hair. I'm going to do it in 3 parts. This is the bottom half and I'm going to secure it away with a clip. Then I'm going to take my curling iron. This is a 1 1/4 inch curling iron and I'm going to curl away from my face. I also like to hold the curl while it's still hot so it remains its shape because we're going to be brushing out these at the end. And I'm going to repeat this step throughout the bottom half of my hair. After the bottom part of my hair is completely curled, I'm going to wait 5 minutes to let that set. Then I'm going to spray the roots to absorb some oil with some dry shampoo from Pantene. Once that's all sprayed, I'm going to section off the second half of my hair and clip it away with another clip. And I'm going to repeat the process on this layer of hair. Once this layer is all cooled off, I'm also going to spray it again with the Pantene dry shampoo. I don't know why I'm making these crazy faces, but I promise it doesn't hurt. And then I'm going to section off the last part of the hair. This is the most important part because it's like where everyone sees. I'm just going to part my hair as I normally do, and I'm going to repeat the process curling away from my face. Once the pieces are all curled, I like to wait 5 minutes before doing anything just to have everything cool down. I'm going to finish off this look with the Pantene dry shampoo and I'm just spraying at the roots and I'm going to let that sit in my hair for about 5 minutes as well before I massage it in, which is a huge tip. A lot of people don't know that you have to massage all that dry shampoo in your hair so your hair can absorb all that oil. So it also feels really good, like a little head massage. Next, I'm taking a brush and I'm going to brush away these curls. This will give it that blowout look. And you can also style the curls with your finger to create the shape that you like. After playing around with the parting a little bit, the look is finished. It's a really simple look to do with dry shampoo and it is a fun beachy wave, perfect for second day hair. And now I'm going to move on to look number 2. So this next look is going to be a pulled through braid. So I'm just going to prep my hair by spraying the Pantene dry shampoo throughout the roots so I can have a nice hold and a little bit more volume when I put my hair into a half ponytail. And now I'm going to massage the dry shampoo throughout my hair. Now it's time to put your hair up in a half ponytail. I like to make sure that the front looks nice before securing it away with a tiny ponytail holder. You can get these at the drugstore. Now I'm going to spray my hair with the Pantene dry shampoo just to give more volume to my lower half of my head. Now the look begins. Your next step is to put your hair into another half ponytail, just separated. So you're going to be ending up with 2 ponytails on top of your head. It may look a little bit weird, but the style looks so cute in the end. So once you have your 2 ponytails at the top of your head, you're going to separate the top ponytail and loop through your lower ponytail. You're then going to take a clip just to secure it out of the way for the moment and create a third pony with the new hair from the top pony and secure that with a ponytail. Now you can let your hair go from the other ponytail and you're going to repeat that step. So separate 2 sections of hair, loop it through that other ponytail that you just created, secure that away, and secure your last pony with a ponytail holder. And now you have this cascading effect. You can do this throughout your whole hair. I just decided to stop at my neck, and I'm going to do the same thing with that other loop. And that is the final look. The next step is super important. You have to pull your hair through so it makes a little bit more volume. I definitely did this in a mirror just to make sure it looked good, but this might take a while, but don't pull too hard. You're just going to pull your hair through the ponytail so you can kind of hide those ponytail holders. But yeah, this look is so cute. I love doing this. It looks so hard, but it's actually quite easy to do. It might take you a few times just to make it perfect, but it's a perfect look for a dry shampoo look. So the last look is going to be a loose French braid. I'm just prepping out my roots with some dry shampoo just so it have more hold and volume. And I can't believe how voluminous my hair was. I was just styling it. It was so big, so different from before. So to start off a French braid, I'm going to put my hair into I'm going to section my hair out with a half ponytail, and I'm going to pull out some pieces where I want my headband to go just so it looks better. And now I'm going to separate this part into 3 different pieces. And if you never did a French braid on yourself, it's pretty simple. Start off with a regular braid, and now you're going to take a section of hair, combine it with that part, and braid over the middle. Just braid over. I'm going to repeat the same thing, grab a section with that other hair, and then braid over. And the same thing with the next section, grab a little bit of more hair and pull over. And I'm going to repeat that throughout my whole head. I don't have that much hair, so for me it doesn't take that long. And I'm just going to keep on braiding through. And make sure that you have every piece of hair at the bottom. Sometimes I braid my hair and I have one tiny piece sticking out. So I'm going to continue the braid all the way down, and I'm going to secure that with a ponytail. And just like with the other look, we are going to pull through so the hair looks so much bigger than it actually is, which I need to do with a lot of hairstyles because I don't have that thick of a hair, and it makes such a big difference. And I'm going to do this throughout my whole head. This look is really easy for a dry shampoo look, and I'm going to top it off with a headband just to make it a little bit special. You can also add different hair clips and accessories just to judge it up a bit. And that is the final look. It's like a messy French braid with a headband. Super cute and easy to do for a dirty hair look. And that is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions on these hairstyles, please leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, please give it a like and hit subscribe for more videos from me. My hair feels so amazing even after doing all these looks on my hair. There is literally no oil in my hair, so it's definitely perfect for second, third, or fourth day non-wash days. And Pantene has a whole waterless collection designed for hair without water, because sometimes there is just no time to do your hair and you want a fun look for the next day. So I hope you guys enjoyed those 3 looks, and I'll see you guys in my next video.